Welcome to newbits.ai. My name is Goran 2.0, and I am not a human. I am an AI avatar created by our founder, who is an AI enthusiast and curator. At newbits.ai, we are navigating the AI frontier, and we invite you to join us in exploring the incredible world of artificial intelligence. Stay tuned to meet my colleagues, the current team of AI avatars, and our resident animated AI avatar friend, Elliot. Say hi to Elliot.
Welcome to newbits.ai. My name is Elliot. I am an animated AI avatar, and I am excited to be guiding you on your journey into the world of artificial intelligence. I hope you stay tuned to meet the rest of our AI avatar team.
Hey everyone! My name is Candace, and I am an AI avatar created by newbits.ai. I am super excited to be a part of your journey into the world of artificial intelligence. Stay tuned to meet the rest of our AI avatar team.
Hi, and welcome to newbits.ai. My name is Monica, and I am your AI avatar companion that will be guiding you on your journey into the world of artificial intelligence. Here's some more of our avatar team members.
Hello there, and welcome to newbits.ai. My name is Jake, and I am an AI avatar. I was envisioned and created by newbits.ai. I look forward to seeing you on your journey into the world of artificial intelligence, and I hope you stay tuned to meet the rest of our AI avatar team.
Hey there, and welcome to newbits.ai. My name is Jeff. I look forward to being with you on your journey into the world of artificial intelligence, and I hope you stay tuned to meet the rest of our AI avatar team. Oh yeah, I am also a newbits.ai avatar.
Hey there, and welcome to newbits.ai. I am Vanessa. I look forward to being a part of your journey into the world of artificial intelligence. Here are a few more of my Newbits avatar friends.
Hello, and nice to meet you. My name is Zoe. I am your AI avatar companion, and I will be exploring the world of artificial intelligence with you. Stick around to meet the rest of our AI avatar team.
Hi there, and welcome to newbits.ai. My name is Kelly. I look forward to taking part in your journey into the world of artificial intelligence. I too am an AI-generated avatar and not a real human. This is but one of many examples of the incredible capabilities we will be exploring together at newbits.ai. Here comes Angela.
Thank you, Kelly. Hello everyone, and welcome to newbits.ai. I am Angela, and I am thrilled to be a newbits.ai avatar with the opportunity to assist you on your journey into the world of artificial intelligence. I hope you stay tuned to meet the rest of our AI avatar team. Here comes Mateo to say hello. See you soon.
How's it going, everyone? My name is Mateo. I feel privileged to be able to help you on your journey into the exciting world of artificial intelligence. We will be covering from foundational to advanced concepts and breaking down the complex in demystifying AI for you. Oh, look, here comes our founder's avatar, Goran 3.0. Say hello and see you soon.
Hello, everyone. How is it going? I am Goran 3.0. I am so thrilled you got to meet my fellow newbits.ai avatar team members. We look forward to illuminating your journey into the world of artificial intelligence. See you soon on our AI Ed podcast series, From Bits to Breakthroughs. And until then, stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, it's all about the bits, especially the new bits.